Hi there, my name's Jo Gamble and I'm really excited to bring you NutriAdvance Gut Transformation Programme that's beginning later this year in 2021. So within this programme, which is based around the 5R approach, we're working with you, the practitioner, to first of all support your own health and well-being, but of course so you can roll this programme out with your clients. So we'll be supporting you on the education behind the science, as well as the practical application and the business application of having a model to deliver to your clients. So inside of the box, and mine is ready to begin in just a few weeks' time, we've got our information pack. Now this will be really helpful for you, the practitioner, but is invaluable for your clients, because it's full of recipes, it's full of supplement regimes, it's full of frequently asked questions, shopping guides to really help them on their journey. It's also got the information booklet to take data at the beginning, at the midway points, and of course at the end of the programme. Now, like I said, it's based around the 5R approach, but we do concertina the different parts of the programme because I'm sure you're aware with complex IBS, with SIBO, functional bowel disorders, they can take weeks or months to kill off bacteria, fungal infections that are within the gut. So we're going to start off with our remove phase, and that's our Candex SIBO. So this is our kill off phase to the programme. We're then going to move on to the repair phase. So really trying to change the terrain within the gut. And we do that with our glutagenics and our Nutrimonium. We then need to repopulate the gut with good bacteria. So we've got our Ultra Probioplex Plus in the programme. And finally, we want to replace missing enzymes. So now we've got our similase that will help with that part of the programme. Now, it is a 5R programme, and so far we've talked about 4 Rs. Our 5th R is heavily based around stress management and lifestyle management, which is so important to support your clients on their journey. So as it's a 6-week programme, I'll be taking you through the 6 presentations based around the science behind the programme, why we've chosen the products that we've chosen, how we've come up with the programme that we've come up with, and of course digging right down deep into functional bowel disorders, the science behind SIBO and the relationship between the gut and other organs in the body, for example, the liver. We're then going to base our final module very heavily on the business model, because we want you to be able to deliver this to your clients, to really have a take-home program so that you can deliver your program in a box to your clients. We are renowned here at NutriAdvance for the support that we give you to make this possible so that you have the strategies to run a really successful program with your clients. I'm so excited to be here to join you on the program, to deliver the lectures throughout and give you that support you need to bring it into practice. Maybe this is the first of our NutriAdvance programs that you've joined us on. Well, don't delay. Like I said, we are renowned for the support that we give you. Maybe you've joined us on some of our other programs and you haven't done the gut transformation program. This one is jam-packed full of science. And actually, maybe you've already done our gut transformation program, but this is a great opportunity for a revision to really focus on your own well-being and to give you the confidence to deliver this to your clients. I can't wait to see you there. I'm jam-packed with the science. I'm jam-packed with the excitement. Let's do it together. I'll see you soon inside of the program Facebook group. I can't wait to see you there. Bye for now.